Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Java JDK. First, go to Chrome, type Oracle Java and enter. Make sure to use the official Oracle link, okay? So click this. So this is the only Java version available. There are three options: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Since most users are on Windows, let's click Windows. So download this link. Right click and open. So we're done installing Java. Go to the folder where Java is installed. These are all the Java binary files. And next step, copy this folder. Type environment. Click environment variables. Click new, and what you copied earlier from the folder, paste it here. Click new, then we will create a Java system. And paste it again here. Just remove the bin. Go to search bar and type cmd. Now, let's check in the command prompt if it is working. So the version we downloaded is now appearing on the screen. And now, go to Visual Studio Code, go to Extensions, and type extension pack for Java. Once you downloaded it, create a file name .java. So this is the Java program I made. Let's try running this. it's working. If this program does not work for you, and you see a notification asking you to download something, download it because it's one of the program required by Java. I hope you learned something from my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.